Hey, Travel Fam Air, you getting ready for that amazing getaway to destination this season? Whether it's the warm embrace of summer or the crisp chill of winter, packing for a trip can be a bit overwhelming. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, we're diving into the ultimate packing guide for your season adventure in destination. We're talking weather, activities, local customs, and of course, the essential items that will make your trip smooth and stress-free. But before we jump in, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell so you never miss our next travel tips and guides. Ready to pack like a pro, let's go one. Understanding the weather. What to expect in destination. This season. All right, first things first. The weather. If you're heading to destination in season, you're probably wondering what to expect. Let's break it down. For summer, expect hot temperatures, humidity, sunny days, etc. If you're planning to visit specific location within the destination, it's going to be scorching with highs reaching x-derg, so lightweight and breathable clothing is a must. On the flip side, if you're traveling during winter, destination can get pretty chilly, temperatures can drop to
DGC, and you might experience snow, rain, etc.
Knowing the general climate will help you make sure you're packing for comfort and style. 1. Always check the forecast just before you leave. Weather can sometimes be unpredictable, and having up-to-date information will help you make last-minute adjustments to your packing list too. Essential clothing, layering for comfort and versatility. Now, let's talk clothes. One of the biggest packing mistakes people make is not preparing for the unpredictable. When you pack for season and destination, layering is your best friend. For both summer and winter travel, layers allow you to adjust your clothing based on the temperature changes throughout the day. For summer and destination, lightweight fabrics like cotton, linen, and moisture-wicking materials are ideal. Shorts, breathable t-shirts, and tank tops will be your go-to for the daytime, but make sure you have a light jacket or a cardigan for cooler evenings. Swimwear if you plan on hitting the beach or pool. You don't want to miss out on those sunny days. Sun protection gear. Sunglasses, hats, and sunscreen are crucial to protect yourself from the intense sun for winter in destination. Thermal layers. A good quality base layer to trap heat merino wool is a great choice. Waterproof outerwear. Whether you're in the snow or rain, a solid waterproof jacket and pants will save the day. Warm accessories like scarves, gloves, and hats to protect your extremities. Insulated footwear. If you're heading into snow, make sure your boots are waterproof and have a good grip to avoid slipping. Always roll your clothes instead of folding them. This will save space and help avoid wrinkles, especially when you're packing bulky items like jackets and sweaters. Footwear. Comfort and functionality for every activity. Let's talk shoes. Footwear is super important when traveling, especially in destination, where you might be walking a lot or doing adventurous activities. Here's a quick rundown of what you'll need. For summer, comfortable walking shoes or sandals are a must. If you're heading to the beach or doing water sports, pack a pair of flip-flops or water shoes. For winter, if you're visiting colder regions, a pair of insulated boots is key. Look for ones that are waterproof and provide traction, especially if you'll be hiking or exploring snowy areas. If you plan to engage in hiking or outdoor activities, make sure you pack a sturdy pair of hiking boots with ankle support, especially if destination has rugged terrain. Activity-specific packing. What to bring based on your plans. Now, let's get into the fun stuff. Activities. Whether you're here for the adventures, the culture, or the relaxation, here's what you'll need to pack based on your itinerary outdoor activities, hiking, trekking, etc. If you're hiking or exploring the wilderness of destination, make sure to pack a day pack, water bottles, and a first aid kit. Don't forget your hat and sunscreen to protect yourself from the sun.
Beach and water sports. For those visiting destination's beaches, make sure to pack your swimsuit, beach towel, and waterproof bag for your valuables.
If you're into water sports, a rash guard or water shoes will be necessary to stay comfortable. Sightseeing and cultural exploration. If your trip is focused more on sightseeing and cultural exploration, bring comfortable shoes for walking, a camera, a travel guidebook, and perhaps a power bank to keep your devices charged. You'll also want a crossbody bag or a backpack for ease of carrying your essentials. Pack multifunctional gear. For example, a lightweight jacket that's both warm and windproof can also double as a rain jacket. Versatile gear helps you pack lighter without compromising on performance. 5. Local customs and dressing appropriately. Something often overlooked when packing is local customs. Different cultures have different expectations when it comes to dress, so it's important to respect those norms, especially when visiting religious sites or local communities. In summer, you might want to keep your outfits more conservative when visiting places of worship or local neighborhoods. For instance, if you're in destination, consider packing longer skirts or pants and modest tops to show respect for local customs. In winter, you may still want to pack something more formal or respectful if you're visiting a cultural or religious site, like a nice scarf to cover your shoulders, especially in places like destination's famous religious sites. Don't forget, comfortable sunglasses and a hat will also help you stay cool and protect you from the sun, which is a big deal in Destination 6. Health and hygiene, staying fresh while traveling. Health and hygiene are key, no matter the season. Be sure to pack any prescription medication you may need, as well as a basic first aid kit. And remember, if you're traveling internationally, bring a copy of your prescriptions in case you need to restock. Sunscreen is a must for summer travelers, even if it's just for outdoor sightseeing or exploring. Insect repellent is also crucial, especially if you're heading to rural areas or jungles in destination. For winter, make sure to pack lip balm and moisturizing lotion to keep your skin from drying out in the cold air. 7. Technology and gadgets, packing smart for your trip. Let's talk tech. If you're planning to document your travels, make sure you pack the essentials. A good camera or smartphone with extra memory cards is key for capturing memories. And if you're heading to more remote areas of destination, a power bank is a lifesaver when you're out exploring all day. Don't forget about travel adapters for your electronics, especially if destination uses a different power plug or voltage than your home country. And there you have it, your ultimate packing guide for season and destination. With a little preparation, you'll be all set for an unforgettable adventure, no matter the weather or activities you have planned. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more travel tips, packing guides, and everything you need to know to make your trip stress-free and